Hey everyone! If you're dealing with the frustrating issue of Messenger crashing or stopping on your Android device, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through several effective ways to fix this problem step by step. Let's get started. Fix 1. Restart the Messenger application. The first and easiest fix is to restart the app. Here's how. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, or press the Recent Apps button, the square icon. Find Messenger in the list of open apps. Swipe it off the screen to close it. Reopen Messenger from your app drawer. Tip: restarting the app can help resolve temporary glitches that may cause it to crash. Fix 2. Update Messenger to the latest version. An outdated version of Messenger can lead to instability. Here's how to update it. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Messenger. If an update is available, tap the Update button. Tip: keeping Messenger up to date ensures you get the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. Fix 3. Restart your Android device. Restarting your phone can fix background issues affecting apps. Hold down the power button. Select Restart from the options. Tip: a quick restart can clear minor system glitches that might be causing Messenger to crash. Fix 4. Uninstall and reinstall Messenger. If restarting didn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Messenger. Press and hold the Messenger icon on your home screen. Select Uninstall from the menu. Open the Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and reinstall it. Tip: reinstalling gives you a fresh copy of the app, which can solve persistent issues. Fix 5. Enable necessary app permissions. Messenger may crash if it doesn't have the necessary permissions. Here's how to check. Go to Settings on your phone. Tap Apps and Notifications and find Messenger. Tap Permissions and ensure Messenger has access to everything it needs, like the camera, microphone, and storage. Fix 6. Reset Google Play Services. If there's an issue with Google Play Services, Messenger might crash. Here's how to reset it. Go to Settings and tap Apps. Find Google Play Services and tap on it. Select Storage and tap Clear Cache. Tip: resetting Google Play Services won't affect your data but can fix app-related problems. Fix 7. Clear Cache of Messenger. Messenger stores temporary files, which may cause issues over time. Here's how to clear the cache. Go to Settings on your phone. Tap Apps and Notifications, and select Messenger. Tap Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. Tip: clearing the cache won't delete your data, it just removes temporary files that might be causing the app to crash. Fix 8. Update your Android operating system. Running an outdated version of Android can cause compatibility issues with apps. To check for updates, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Software Update to check if a new version is available. Tip: keeping your phone's OS updated ensures it works well with the latest versions of apps, including Messenger. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix Messenger from stopping or crashing on your Android device. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone else who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.